So what does digital manufacturing really mean for the automotive industry? It's an industry driven by an absolute relentless pursuit of perfection. However, it's also driven by a relentless pursuit of cost. And a lot of times we get asked, is it cost effective to move to digital? Is it cost effective to bring in new means of data feedback and robotics when we really just need superior quality but at a cost that is no longer up for debate? Well, I can tell you that we can do more now using digital means to make product more competitive than we ever could using analog systems. Some examples, certainly from product development, we're now no longer guessing at the optimal design solution. Generative design platforms are telling us exactly what it will be. Linking our customers' ERP to our ERP, to our floor, to basic algorithms that, even short of machine learning and AI, are giving us the exact throughput, the exact demand, putting those together so that we lean out supply chains with accuracy and data and no longer guessing, which happens to fill up all those warehouses like the ones we have behind us. When we look at quality data feedback, no longer are we talking about capability studies after the fact. No longer are we talking about sitting in a room with a bunch of quality engineers, whiteboarding Paretos and figuring out what's wrong. We now see it here, now. And I don't see it as a CEO. My team sees it. The people on the floor see it. And what we're working on right now is the machines see it, and they fix themselves. You think about the time it takes in that human scenario, problem solution, the best you could do is days, if not weeks. Well, as we get the machines talking to machines, that's nanoseconds. Think about the relative time to make a corrective action and what the implications are downstream to our clients and consumers. So those are just some of the examples. I invite you to challenge us to prove that digital will outperform analog, not just in quality and performance, but in cost. We are really excited about what this will bring to the automotive manufacturing community, because it is the first time I personally can see perfection in manufacturing being attainable using tools that were unimaginable 5, 10 years ago and bringing it into reality in less than time ahead of us.